Я в 10-м микрорайоне, мой братишка так вырос вообще. Вот, ты на видео класс смотришься. Мам.
Подъезд также пахнет.
Дель.
Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row at fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people, champagne and roll up nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. That's not who we are.
Властная, страстная, сладкая ты прекрасная, а тебе пою не напрасная, забываю все ненастья.
My arms around you, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation here. Your looks stunning, please don't ask that question here. This is my only fear that we become beautiful people.
Это была оса, чуваки! Была оса! Я прилетела в город Ош, это южная часть Казахстана, к моей родной сестре, Я не накрашена. Но мы накрасимся скоро. Да, мы накрасимся скоро.
We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. We are not beautiful.
Ух ты ж. Ребята, я здесь выросла. Ух ты ж.